So good afternoon everybody, we're back again and I'm going to give you an update on the car. So far the engine is in, mounts are made, everything is secured, and took the doors off. So this way we can start mounting everything. So the cradle is in, as you guys can see. We're working on placement of the diff right now. But we're just gonna figure out how we're gonna mount the differential, figure out the angle of the drive shaft, start making the mock axles up, get the correct orientation of how we want them to make sure they're not going to be hitting anything. So what I have done is I put a long extension bar into the drive shaft so I could get more or less an idea of what it's going to be like, since everything is in the resting position. So this is the lowest it should technically get, so we should have plenty of clearance. We may raise the diff up just a little bit, just give it maybe another, I guess, an inch, but we won't find out until we mount the axles and until we're comfortable with everything. But so far, here's a quick look. Drive shaft is in, as you can see, all the way there. Following the body line, nothing hangs down really low. The exhaust will be the lowest point on this car. So that all came out well. And here's just a little update from the back. So box is squared in, so this thing should be very secure. We're gonna actually make the mounts tomorrow, or at least this weekend, I believe. Try to get a view from underneath the car. Sorry about the movement, guys, but there you go. That's how it is. That's how the drive shaft is right now, temporary. We're trying to figure out how we want to place it. But for some reason the drive shaft's a little bit tweaked from the front. It seems like the back is completely straight, so I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do about the front. So that's the next piece of this puzzle. I believe we could leave it a little bit crooked like that, but if we could just get it completely straight and centered, that'd be even better. So I'm gonna work on that next. So I don't know how this is gonna come out in the video. I'm trying to give you a good idea of the body line of the car. So as you can see, that's more or less where everything is. This is the frame rail, and that's basically the body. So that's the best view I could give you right now. It's kind of horrible, but so far we ground on everything so the intermediate shaft will fit. So let me see if I give you a better view. As you all know, with the H2B, you gotta grind off the pan and the block a little bit so you can get the intermediate shaft to fit. So right now I have it fit, ground down the block. I'm gonna do the second half for the axle to go in. But this is more or less where I am. Okay, so that's how it looks. I took off mainly most of the pan. I did it on a slight angle, so this way it's just mainly the pan that's got the most of the brunt of the damage. The block ground down right here, not as crazy as most people do, but I think that's better. Still keep the structure of the block. And now I just gotta clean up down here a little bit for when I put the axle on. But yeah, so far it's coming together. So small update, car dirty as all hell. So I had to grind on the block to get the axle in. The intermediate shaft is in there perfectly, goes in and out smoothly. Now as you can see, we just gotta do the section for the axle. It's just right there where the boot is. We just have to grind that area down next. Give it a beat, say about a 1/4 inch clearance, and then that should be it. That should mean everything is in smoothly. And then we can start mocking up the axles for the front. So basically what we're doing now, we just cut the axle in half, the S2000. We're building some mock axles so we can figure out the correct length. So to make sure this can go in and out easy, we're just cleaning off the threads. I think you're good.
The man's crooked. Mucho.